How to fix side-by-side configuration is incorrect error in Windows. 1. Download and install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package as admin. Plan B, uninstall. All the Microsoft Visual C++ installations and reinstall them again. 2. Run system file checker and dism commands as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism /online/cleanupimage/restore health. 3. Repair or reinstall the affected software, if you can. 4. Reset reinstall your system.